In this video, I'm going to show you the best scalping and the day trading strategy that is going to change your lives, because this indicator has a very good importance into the trading market, and I don't believe that why this indicator is available for free on TradingView. So before I start this video, if you want to join the best broker that I personally use, they offer a variety of trading accounts. The link is given in the description of this video below, and this broker is regulated and has the fastest withdrawal and deposit methods, and never cheated with the any form of the withdrawal. So this is why I like this broker, and I definitely talk about promoting this broker heavily. Okay guys, now let's move towards our strategy. The strategy is very simple. We are going to add the couple of indicators. So first of all, if you write bull bear power void on TradingView, I again repeat, bull bear power void, 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 and this is by Coffee Shop, and you can see this indicator is pretty new, and this is only 505 traders are using this indicator strategy. And if I click this indicator, then it will appear on our screen after loading for some time. Then it will appear on our screen like this. Okay, now we are going to add another setup that is quite required. So guys, you can see the parbolic SAR with volatility filter by Roxham. Okay, so 399 traders are using it. So for this, you will write P SAR. Okay, when you will write a parbolic SAR in your TradingView, then it will come, you will search from the list, then it will come parbolic SAR with volatility filter by alerts, and this is by Roxham. Okay, so you will attach this indicator, and when you will attach this indicator will attach on your screen like this. Okay, so basically do not consider these are the buy signals. So that's why I'm going into the settings of the parbolic SAR indicator, and you can see we have a few things. So I'm going to uncheck the plot label up. Okay, and we will not make any change into the bull bear power indicator setup. Okay, now the setup is very easy to understand, and do not be confused with this. That's a very simple setup. Okay, so you can use it on any time frame. It completely depends on your choice, but I'm going to tell you, you know very well about the parabolic dots. When they are at the top, it means that you need to sell, and when they are at the lower side, then you need to buy, right? So this is about the general concept of the market. Okay, so basically you need to wait for the market to give you a signal like this, like as you can see on the screen, that the background of this indicator will turn into the green color, and then you will see above the zero levels you will be finding the candles. So when you will be finding the candles above the zero level, then it means that you are into the uptrend. So in that case, like for example here, you can see the market has dropped, so you will not take such type of dropping chances. Okay, so for example, you have a green background, the candles are above the zero level, then you can see you have the first dot from the parabolic SAR. You can set up the alerts, and if you don't want to use this indicator, it depends on you. You can use the simple parabolic SAR as well. Okay, but I personally like this indicator very much. That's why I'm going to give you the volatility filter by alerts. Okay, now let's move ahead. So as you can see, the background is into the green color, the candles are above the zero level. You can see the first bullish dot here. You can take your chance, and the market has given you the opportunity up to here. Let me open another chart so that we can expect more from the market. So for example, here you can see the parabolic dots were turned red, but here the background turned red. So basically it will be providing you with a good confirmations about the market. So from the background color, you can simply easily identify the trade. Okay, and you will see the candles below the zero level. Okay, so might be guys, in the first look this indicator might not look very special to you, but when you are going to use this indicator, then definitely it is going to make you with the huge gains. As you can see on USD JPY 5-minute, you can see it has already provided you with a green background to go up, and how long it has also identified the bear trend. You can see the bears, the market were here. So here you can see that when they just fighting on the zero level, it means that there is something wrong. The market trend is getting changed, and you can see that You can see from here that the candles were turned into the green color above the zero level, so everything was perfect to trade. Okay, so this is how you will get the benefit from this indicator. Use it on any pair like forex, stocks, and the crypto market, and get the benefit from it. So I just want you to confirm the trend confirmations from the bull bear power, so that you must understand what is the power of this indicator. Moreover, as you know from the name of the bull bear power, it means that the higher the time frame you are going to use, the more reliable will be the result. So for example, I am on the gold 15-minute chart. Now you can see here we have been shown the bull power is coming, and you can see a strong upward trend on gold. Right now, till now, it is also identifying us with the bull power. Okay, now you can ignore the sell signals from the parbolic SAR until unless it does not change its color into the red. So the higher time frames which can be used in a very profitable way, I personally believe with this indicator, the higher the time frame, the more reliable will be your results. So guys, what do you think about this trading setup? Please let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe FX Mentor US, like our videos, subscribe and share the videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.